Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just made a video about how to kind of make this look identical, and I think I did pretty good. It's a little bit, I'm noticing now that this could have been squeezed in a little bit more. But, and it really traced good, but this did not trace or would not trace with a flip. And if you just look at that, to me, it looks like a bunch of circles, and I've already kind of done it. So to do that, I'm going to draw an ellipse. And I draw in hairline, and it doesn't really matter. But to me, it's easier to see. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm going to move the center rotation like right there, and then I'm going to rotate it. Now, they're off a little bit. So what you could do then is hit T on your keyboard and put them evenly. And then it'd be easier to group them. So Control G and then Control D, and then get this two-sided handle and mirror it down, but then grab this four-sided X and put that intersection right there, kind of make it a flower, and you could take a lot of time. Now, you don't have to do any deleting really at this time because you can see what it looks like. So we're going to go and make it like 1.5 point. Whoop, maybe a little bit too thick. 1 point. Then just take your delete and kind of, look at it that this has got a hump and this doesn't. So we're going to delete that line. We're going to go down and we're going to delete that line. And we're going to delete that line. And we're going to delete that line. I did something wrong. I want to delete this line and then that line. Nope. I'm going to have to bring this one in. Just kind of remember what I did. Let's back up here. Put all the circles back. Let me ungroup this logo so I can bring this in. And all I have to do is I need to delete this line. Nope. I need to delete this line, this line. That's what I was kind of thinking at first, but it just didn't look right. That way, there's no complete circle. And this one's a little bit thinner than the first one, so I'm going to type in 1.5 and then make it black. And I'm pretty sure that's about as close as you can get it. It looks so much better because it's so sharp in comparison. It's kind of hard to tell. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.